about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see.
So here we have the Hymer Eriba Feeling 442, a well-priced caravan in the Hymer Eriba range. It's based on the Alco chassis at the front. It's nice and simple, a large front locker and single piece window along with 2 grab handles. It's got the pop top, so plenty of headroom when you're inside. It's white sided like the front, nice Hymer decals which are standard of the Hymer range, good size entrance door, and we can see we've got the fridge and freezer vents there on the off side, 3 windows in, single axle, and we've got a huge locker there on the off side for some storage underneath. Coming round to the back, the Eriba Feeling, nice and simple, a large grab handle there and 3 lights at each side. The steadies on this are just straightforward normal size wind down ones, and they're going to be accessed from underneath. On the near side, which I can't fully show you, we do have several more windows down the side. So that is the exterior of the Feeling. We'll venture inside now into the caravan. This is a €23,000 caravan, so very well priced for Hymer. A large front door there, and we'll head in. As we go in, straight away the front of the caravan contains the lounge area. We've got storage above, and the pop top, as we can see, giving that extra headroom. It's absolutely fantastic as that feature. The lounge is fairly compact but plenty ample for a family. We've got the table. Obviously Hymer and many of the European makes don't do a front chest like we have in the UK, so that's normal. We've got a slightly smaller seating area here to the opposite side because of the intrusion for the door, but lovely little area there. On the side here there's a fixed mirror as well, so you can check yourself over before you go out. Carrying on down the near side, there's a door here which takes us into a lovely bathroom, and because of the pop top you've also got the headroom above, so it's not fully enclosed. The bathroom area, there's a lovely sink and mirror, lots of little shelves underneath, and a nice feature as well on the door is space for towels here. Inside there's a small window, further storage and more hanging space there. And down below we have the Thetford toilet with flush. This one doesn't have the shower in here, as we can see from the floor. There's no plug hole, it's just the normal floor, so no shower in this. Coming down further next to the toilet we find a wardrobe, and this offers some really good space, to be fair. So plenty of space there for lots of clothes. We've got our fuse box, and we've also got a duct there for the air blown heating. Further down we see we have the Truma gas fire there to keep you warm in the poorer weather. At the back of here is where we find the large bedroom. Now this is one huge bed. It literally takes up the whole width of the caravan. And then there's a cutout here to give you some extra floor space and to enable you to climb on as well. As we can see on this side, there isn't actually a blind to pull across, so when you're in here you're not going to be able to divide the bedroom from the living space. That might be a problem for some and not for others. The little shelves around the Eriba, absolutely lovely all the way around, and this is the kitchen space on the off side of the caravan. Very good size for such a small van. There's a fridge and freezer there, Dometic product, and loads of little drawers and cupboards underneath. There's a plug socket so you can plug in your kettle or your coffee maker, And there's a nice window overlooking the gas burners and the kitchen sink. Again, typical European really, there isn't any electric hobs, it's always just the gas. And what we also find is the drawers, really nice, slide out, easy to operate, catches on them, and then slide shut again. So that is the 442. We'll just head out and have a look at some facts and figures. So here we go, we've got the Feeling 442, just short of 23,000 euros. It's a potentially up to 5 berth Caravan, which is indicated here. It's a good size, good weight, it's between 1,300 to 1,500 kilos and a payload of 215 to 415 kilos, which is very impressive indeed. So there we are, the Feeling 442.